In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add clickable links to TikTok Stories. This is a powerful way to drive traffic to your website, product page, or other social platforms, helping you convert viewers into customers or followers. First off, let me copy my channel link as an example. It can either be a video link, website, or any other link you want to share to your TikTok story. Once the link is copied to Clipboard, simply head to TikTok. You want to tap right here to add any media. It can either be a photo or video. You want to tap on the sticker icon. In the search bar, search for links. You will see the link option. Tap on it and paste in your link right here. Now go ahead and customize your link. You can put in anything that makes someone to engage and click on your link. Now once everything is set, tap on Done to save changes. Your link will come out just like so. Tap on your story to get uploaded to your TikTok story. Now for anyone who clicks on the link, it will directly take them to the landing page of either your website, YouTube, or anything you shared. Well, that's how easy it is to add links to TikTok stories. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.